what I did is I told right multiple years back. Anyway, I'm doing investments continuously. Forget about investments. Why don't you clear the loans? Like just my mother's sister and as husband accounts are there. Then I told to my accountant. At that time, Raju was there, but now Bajit came. Raju was there. Raju, every day, 10%. I didn't follow 20% rule. 10%. Can you please transfer to these accounts? Some 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs happened. Then immediately I'm going to clear one loan. Next and after that, another 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs happened. Then I'm going to clear another loan. Do you know, believe me, just in couple of years, almost couple of months, not years, couple of months, almost around 25 to 30 lakhs loans I cleared without, okay, getting a small pain also. Wonderful formula, dosto. Wonderful formula. Okay. So here, do you know, the person who gave the loan, sometimes he may not ask, why why I got the money. Can you please, I want to clear your loan. If you are going to ask in reverse, if you are going to clear the loan, how the goodwill will be? Can you please imagine? Whenever tomorrow, if you are going to ask, then definitely is going to offer more. Okay. So really this formula helped me like anything. But very unfortunate, after a few days, I didn't continue. After a few days, I didn't continue. Then I'm always feeling regret why I didn't continue this formula. Okay. Later sometime I started 10% savings. Just very recently I started debts clearance also, principal amount clearance also 5%, minimum 5%. Later I will make it at the 20. Okay, 5%. Today, every day, 10% for my savings come investments. Next, it is account related. So I'm doing every day 1,000 rupees minimum. I'm separating to clear my debts. Next, 5,000 rupees for my savings. Like I'm doing this. So believe me, I never going to stop this process because I had lot of regret why I stopped this one in the middle. Wonderful formula, man. This is applicable, not only applicable for 5,000, 8,000 years before. Even today also, this is going to be applicable.